Can you have authentic eye contact with your remote audience in an online presentation? The answer is simple and straightforward. No, you can't. If you look at the eyes of the participants in a video stream as you would see it on your video conferencing platform, do you have the feeling that I'm looking at you? No. And if I'm looking at my slides, does that give you the feeling of being looked at? Not really, no. So there's just one single way of making your audience feeling looked at, which is looking directly at the camera. The problem with that is that you don't see your audience actually, not a single one. You're just looking at the green little light on top of your laptop next to your webcam, and you're giving your audience the impression that you're looking at them. But actually, you're not. You're blind. So there is no authentic eye contact in remote presentations. Hold on a second. Actually, there is a way of getting authentic eye contact. There is Matt from DIY Perks. I'm linking to his great channel below this video. And he built a shroud around his laptop, right? And uses a two-way mirror plus a flat webcam, DIY of course, to build a system that enables you to have authentic eye contact with your remote audience. So that sounds super cool. I'm a big fan. But to be honest, I didn't get around to building that thing just yet. It's definitely on my list, and I definitely want to try that at some moment, but so far I didn't. So if that sounds great to you, check out Matt's instructions. But if that sounds too complicated for you, or you're not a DIY person, then I'd like to share my personal hack for having eye contact with your remote audience in online presentations. It's called the CVS-Triangle. Stands for Camera, Video Feed, Slide. So during a remote presentation, my recommendation would be to alternate those three focal points, right? Look at the camera to give your audience the feeling that you're looking at them. Look at your audience to actually see what they're doing at this very moment. And quickly glance at your slide to catch your next talking points. So remember, in your next remote presentations, use the CVS-Triangle to connect to a remote audience plus read the virtual room at the same time. I hope you enjoyed this little hack. If you want to know more about remote presentations, check out the previous hacks. I'm linking them below. Or if you really want to dive into it to get on top of remote presentations, then check out the Online Shift, a blended learning program that I've created focused purely on remote presentations. So in this program, I'm sharing all my tips and tricks, all my knowledge about remote presentations. And there's a special launch offer that's still on for the time being. Check it out.